Here's a 2020 GMC Canyon SLE. This one's a two-wheel drive crew cab. Comes in onyx black on jet black cloth interior. It's equipped with a V6, 3.6 liter. Made it to the 8-speed automatic transmission. It's got your black 18-inch wheels on it. Blacked out grille. Got your power door locks, power windows, power mirrors, trailer brake controller, steering wheel, and your partial power seat, and we'll get to that later. There's your rear seat. Let's see kind of what the leg room's looking like. So not the best leg room back here, but you know, the seats can be adjusted, and that's your front passenger seat room there, and I could definitely fit behind that seat. And I still have room to put my feet underneath the seat as well. Here's a passenger seat again. And this one is all blacked out because it is an Elevation Special Edition. It comes with your wheels, your grille, and a few other features. There's your Bluetooth audio, Sirius XM, AM, and FM. Got a Wi-Fi hotspot, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. And then you can also control your climate from the screen. There's that backup camera. Got your climate control here. You've got your bed lights you can turn on and off. And then you've got your tow haul mode here. There's your automatic gear shifter. You can also shift on the fly from the side of the shifter. All right. So next thing we're gonna do is take this GMC Canyon on a test drive. V6 actually delivers pretty good power, you know, to get this truck to accelerate. And the brakes are very good and very responsive. All right, here we go. We've got it in manual shift mode. Also surprisingly responsive. We're gonna see how it does on the interstate. So far, the ride is surprisingly comfortable. Wind speed is relatively, wind noise is relatively quiet in here. And going down the interstate, the ride is smooth. Very quiet within the truck as I went ahead and came to a stop. And visibility is pretty good. There's no blind spot monitoring on this truck, but you do get that blind spot mirror on the driver's side. That's kind of helpful. All right, we're gonna open her up real quick. Very good acceleration. Like surprisingly good acceleration. This truck accelerates a lot faster than I would expect. With this being a two-wheel drive model, you get pretty decent fuel mileage just if you're gonna be, you know, towing and hauling with it. You can get upwards to 25, 26 miles a gallon on the highway, and then 16 to 18 in the city. But all in all, a pretty good ride, even on this back road here. Of course, there's no suspension damping or anything, but it's still just such a smooth ride that going over the bumps isn't intrusive. And the truck handles very well for being a, a pickup truck. I'm not getting blown all over the place by the wind. Steering feedback is very good. But no complaints for the 2020 GMC Canyon SLE with two-wheel drive and the 3.6 liter V6.